SoundCheck's measurements go beyond the sequence with the ability to save data to multiple formats. SoundCheck's curves, waveforms, values, and results can be saved to MATLAB, Excel, text, TDMS, and more. Best of all, this data portability can be done automatically even within a running sequence. SoundCheck groups data into 4 categories in the memory list: curves, values, results, and waveforms. All these can be saved into various programs depending on your use case and third-party programs' acceptable data format. From the memory list, data can be saved by selecting Data, then Save Data As, or by right-clicking on the memory list item and choosing Save Data As. Curve, value, and results data can be saved as a text file, a DAT file for use in SoundCheck, or a MAT file to open the data in MATLAB. Waveforms can also be saved as SoundCheck WFM files or WAV files. Results can be saved as a MAT file, text file, .res SoundCheck file, or TDMS SoundCheck file. TDMS is a new option introduced in SoundCheck 21. This saves all SoundCheck data types, including metadata, to a single binary file for extremely fast read and write times during sequence execution. SoundCheck also automates data saving via a sequence with autosave steps. Autosave step templates are available for all data formats with the option to either append or overwrite data. Appending data continually adds new measurement results to the specified file. Overwrite deletes prior data so only the most recent save remains. SoundCheck's autosave functionality is covered in 100 Things number 28. Check that out for more details on configuring autosave steps in your sequence. We also have in-depth SoundCheck tutorials for each autosave step. For an even deeper dive, be sure to check out our SoundCheck tutorials playlist. What do you do with your SoundCheck data? Are you a MATLAB user or an Excel expert, or all of the above? Let us know in the comments below. For more information on all things SoundCheck, head to our website at listeninc.com.